Hey guys, welcome to Techmazar. This is Rohit Sharma, and according to our preparation strategy, today we will understand the concepts of logic families. Okay, this is a part of digital electronics, and this is very important. Around one or two questions you can see from logic families. Okay, so before starting the video, I will request all of you to join our Telegram group, Isrota for EC. Also, we have launched our India's first online test series, Isrota for ECE, with collaboration with Mechanical Adda. So please register from 28th of April. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, we will see how we can implement AND gate with the help of diode. This is how we can implement AND gate. We know that in AND gate, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. Dekho. So if you are seeing here output, when AB is low, then diode is on, diode 1 is on, diode 2 is on. Okay. When AB is low, that is 0, this is 0. And this will be on, this will be on. Then the output will also be 0. Okay, this is how we can implement this. Implement this AND gate with the help of diode. That is 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now similarly, we can also implement OR gate with the help of diode like this. This is how we can implement OR gate. Okay. In OR gate, we know that 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So see, low, high, 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 low, high, high. देखो, इससे हम ऐसे हम implement कर सकते हैं diode OR gate. Okay. So now transistor as a NAND gate. This is how we can implement transistor as a NAND gate. Okay. What is NAND gate? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 0 the bar is 0 the bar is 1. Okay. 0 into 1 is 0, 0 bar is 1. 1 into 0 is 0, 0 bar is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 bar is 0. Then 1 1 1 0. देखो, simply हमारा same output आ रहा है हमारा यहाँ पे. Therefore, this is how we can implement transistor as a NAND gate. Two transistors can be connected in series to implement as a NAND gate. Okay. And if we have to implement NOR gate, then we have to put two transistors in parallel to each other. Okay. This is how we can implement our NOR gate. And what is NOR gate? 0 plus 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 0 bar is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 bar is 0. This is 0, this is 0. Same output we are getting. This is how we can implement our NOR gate. For NOR gate, two BJTs are connected in parallel. For NAND gate, two BJTs are connected in series. Remember this, okay? This can be also an objective type question in ISRO exam. Okay? Before going further, first of all, we will know about what are the characteristics of our digital logic family. First is fan out. What is fan out? The fan out is defined as the maximum number of inputs that can be connected to the output of a gate without degrading the normal operation. That means at the output side, how many gates we can connect so that a normal operation of the circuit is not affected. This is known as fan out. How we can calculate fan out? IOH upon IIH or IOL upon IIL. Okay, I will tell you what is IOH, IIL, IOL, IIL. Okay, in the last of this video. Okay, second is fan in. The fan in of a logic gate is the number of inputs connected to the gate without impairing its normal operation. The fan in parameter determines the functional capability of logic circuit. Okay. Second is how we can calculate power dissipation in a digital logic family. Power dissipation is given as VCC, okay, into ICC, average current. Okay. This is always expressed in milliwatt. Okay. And this is the power required by the gate. It is the power required by the gate to operate with 50% duty cycle. Okay. That is D is equal to duty cycle is equal to 0.5 at a very specified frequency. Okay. Every logic gate requires a certain amount of power. Each and every logic gate requires a certain amount of power for its operation. This is known as power dissipation. And its formula is given by power dissipation is equal to VCC into ICC average. Fourth one is propagation delay. Okay. This is denoted by TPD, propagation delay. The propagation delay of a logic circuit limits the speed at which the circuit can operate. Okay, and it is always measured in nanosecond, very small value of time. Okay, it is denoted at TPD, that is propagation delay. Next one is figure of merit. What is figure of merit? If we figure of merit is the product of power dissipation into propagation delay. This is known as figure of merit. The figure of merit always we should have minimum value of figure of merit for better operation of logic gate. Okay, this is desirable. Okay, for the best performance of gate, minimum gate of FOM figure of merit is desirable. It is specified in picojoules. Remember this. Noise margin can be calculated by two methods. First is for high state VOH minus VIH and NML. For low state that is equal to VIL minus VOL. Now we will get NMH, and second we will get NML. Okay. Now option will say what is the noise margin. We have to select the minimum of this. Suppose we are getting NMH as 0.5 and NMH as simply I can say 0.8. Okay, now we will select noise margin as 0.5 is the correct answer. Okay, whichever is smaller. Remember this, whichever is smaller. Okay, now we will see what are VIH, VIL, what is this. Okay, VIH is known as high level input voltage. This is the minimum voltage level required at the input of gate. Okay, it is the minimum voltage level at logic 1. This is why we are saying high level input voltage. VIH minimum voltage level, but at logic 1, this is why we are saying is high. Okay. Now low level input voltage, it is the maximum. VIL, it is the maximum voltage level, but at logic 0. Okay. Remember this, but at logic 0. VOH, it is the minimum output voltage at logic 1. Okay. VOL is, it is the maximum voltage level at logic 0. Remember these terms, these are very important. These are also very important as MCQ point of view, objective type questions point of view. You can come across questions from these also, voltage and current parameters. Now we will see the current parameter, IIH. IIH is the minimum current it is the minimum current supplied by a driving source corresponding to a high level voltage. Okay. What is low level input current? It is the minimum current that is supplied by a driving source corresponding to a low logic level. Okay. High level output current is, this is the maximum current which the gate can sink at high level, and low level is the maximum current that the gate can sink is at low level. Okay. Remember these definitions, these are very important. Okay, for ISRO point of view. Okay, and maximum I have seen questions on logic family is based upon only 3 things. First is, I have seen you have been given to calculate fan out, okay, propagation delay, noise margin, and fourth one is figure of merit. Okay, so you have to remember the formulas for these 4 things only in logic family. Any other question will not come from these. On last one is CMOS family. I will make a separate video on CMOS family. Okay, so that you can easily understand what a CMOS family is, how can we implement CMOS, the various NAND gates, various logic gates through CMOS. Okay, we will also see that thing. Okay, this is the part of VLSI, that is very large scale integration. Okay, in logic family only 4 things you will need to calculate: fan out, propagation delay, noise margin, and figure of merit. In which fan out and noise margin is very important. So please remember the formulas for these. Okay. Last one is, this is a table. This table is not necessary, but I have given those students who are preparing for other exam other than ISRO. Okay, other than ISRO, they can see this table. There are many type of logic family like resistor transistor logic, DTL direct transistor logic, STL, TTL, ECL, emitter coupled logic, MOS, CMOS. Okay, fan out for RTL will be 3 to 5, 3 to 8. These are the values. Okay, for power dissipation will be this for these logic families. What is the propagation delay? What is the figure of merit? What is the noise margin? And what is the basic gates that can be implemented for RTL? Okay, RTL, DTL, STL, and TTL, ECL, like this. Okay, this is a table in a short method. In short, this table is given so that you can just review this table before going to the exam. Okay, if this is coming in your syllabus. Okay, In ISRO exam, I have just seen questions related to fan out, noise margin, CMOS families, etc. That is it in the ISRO exams. Okay, so those who are preparing other than ISRO can review this table. Okay, if you have any doubt related to logic families, please ask me in the comment section or in the Telegram group. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and also like the video and subscribe the channel so that you can get further updates regarding the video and regarding the exams coming for electronics and electrical. Okay, so all the very best. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.